I will not burn my house down for a juicer. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. You guys have been loving my Nama J2 and Canoly C16 series. So today we are going to do another one of the things that these juicers are capable of, which is making sorbet. I've created a series with the Nama J2 and the Canoly C16 just to show you guys what they're capable of and to help you decide on a juicer. So as you know, we've already made juice with these juicers and we've made an oat milk. So today we're going to make a delicious sorbet. It's starting to warm up outside and I know if you're like me, you're going to want a sweet treat. So when you're making sorbet with your juicers, all you need is frozen fruit. I took the easy way out and got some frozen fruit from Walmart. This one, I believe it's a blend of pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and mango. Very high in vitamin C and it's gonna be really good. So I got a bag for each juicer. I'm just going to dump it inside, let the juicers go, and we can see just how you have to make sorbet in them as well as what that sorbet consistency looks like. This won't really be like a versus video. It's more so just to show you what to do so that you know what your juicer is capable of and how to use it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Throw the whole thing in there. And then, and if you hear something in the background, that is my husband coughing. He's just like my puppy. He has to make his presence known. And now one whole bag into the Nama. All right, let's go. As you can see, the Nama is done. I don't know what happened here. I did not turn it off, but it's smoking. Okay, do you see it kind of like right there? Like I don't know what's going on. Live, not necessarily live, but just so y'all know I'm not lying or exaggerating, I know you can see like the smoke. And mind you, the Nama is still going. That was very interesting. As you can see, something looks a little bit off here. Our Nama has finished making all of its sorbet. This is what we got from the Nama J2. It's very pretty, very colorful. And now moving on to the Canoly C16. This is all we got before she started smoking. So I don't know. You cannot make these things. I don't know. Like, I walked away out of the frame completely and it just stopped. It was still on. And then I came back and smoke was coming from the back. So I don't know. But what we are going to do is just take this and I'm scared to turn it back on. I kind of want to see if it will make sorbet. I feel like I owe y'all that much. So hopefully I don't get blown away in here. Let's try to see if it can finish out and make sorbet. I don't know. It's still smoking though. But it's making sorbet at least, so. Well, she burned out again, and it really, like, it smells like something is burning. So I'm turning it off. I'm done with this because this is crazy. I'm just going to take what's left and put it inside of the Nama because that's actually insane. I don't know what that is about. It smells like, it doesn't smell good. I'm gonna say that. All right, so both juicers are done. One juicer more so than the other one, but let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. So from our Nama J2, this is everything that we got. And then I took the rest of the fruit out of the cannoli and put it into the Nama, so we got a little bit more. And then I did run the Canoly C16 again to give it a chance to see what it would do. This is what we got from this one before she decided to burn out on us. But yeah, this video was pretty much just to show you guys what the juicers can do when it comes to making sorbet, the process, how easy it is. I cannot make this up. I know y'all hear that. That's coming from this. I'm just gonna put this to the side and we'll finish the video. Be right back. So if you don't see cannoli on my channel much more, you'll understand why, I hope. And don't say that I'm playing favorites because I was out of the frame. I did not do anything to this juicer. But somebody did what they were supposed to do, so. All right, so in all of my videos, we always do a taste test. So let's go ahead and try it. It's like eating a smoothie. It's very creamy. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. This one was definitely unexpected and fun, but that, you can't get any more real than that. Live and just, y'all saw it. I can't make it up. Anyway, by the time you see this video, Nama will still be having their spring sale. So if you are interested in getting the Nama J2, you can use my code Darian10 to get $90 off the J2 as it comes, or $112 off the J2 XL. So that would be the one that has the large hopper as well as the large pitcher set. It will also come with the sorbet attachment. So that is a really great deal. That sale will end on March 31st. You guys will probably be seeing this the Sunday prior to the 31st. So make sure that you go ahead and get your juicer. It's definitely worth it, as you saw here today. I've had this juicer since 2022 and she has outperformed a lot. But if you are still interested in getting the Canoly C16, you can use my code DarianWest to get 10% off on that one as well. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this one to be entertaining, informative, and helpful. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see down in the comments. And as always, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.